Okay, the last thing to check is this Smart Digital Life USB-C cable. Okay, so what's in the bag? It says thank you. Just some warranty information. Not much to it. So first look at this. It's braided. I'm not sure of the material. Could be stainless steel, aluminium, but it's definitely looks durable. Yep, looks really nice. So what I'll do is I'll test some audio on this. Okay, first thing to do is we'll check. Okay, the fingerprint scanner works fine. Where's blue light? Let's take off the blue light filter. Let's open up the camera. So what I'll do is I'll get a mic. Actually, I'm gonna turn the app off. So I'm gonna plug it in now. Camera going. Testing. This is testing the UGREEN USB-C to 3.5mm jack. I'm plugged in using a lapel mic and testing it through the Samsung Galaxy Note Plus. Testing. Okay, so actually I wonder if just unplug this, if we can hear it back. Testing. This is testing the UGREEN USB-C to 3.5mm jack. I'm plugged in using lapel mic and testing it through the Samsung Galaxy Note Plus. Testing. That was pretty good. So what do we have there? So we looked at the UGREEN USB-C to 3.5mm jack. Thanks for watching and bye bye.